Asian-style salmon patties with crunchy slaw. To make the patties, add half the salmon to a food processor with a little chili garlic sauce and process until it's finely chopped. Cut the rest of the salmon into 1 centimetre pieces. Add to the food processor and pulse until just combined. You want the mixture to still have some texture so it's not completely smooth. Now shape the salmon mixture into 4 even patties. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the patties and cook for 5 minutes each side or until cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Add fish sauce and some more chili garlic sauce to the pan and bring to the boil. Return the patties to the pan and spoon over the sauce. Turn the heat off and pour some lime juice into the sauce. Arrange lettuce and carrot on a serving plate. Top with the patties and spoon over the sauce. Sprinkle over green beans and peanuts. Finish with mint leaves and a squeeze of lime. These fresh tasting patties are a great way to enjoy salmon for dinner.